Hey guys, welcome back to FRC. So I got sent this Orlandoo Hunter basher or rock bouncer by Banggood about a month ago, and I have assembled it. So my first ever model of Orlandoo Hunter took me like 5 nights to finish, and this one took me only 1 night after getting to know the inside out of especially the chassis mechanism, how things are being installed. It was pretty quick. This is quite an advanced model because it's a kit that you have to build it yourself, and it comes with the electronics, the remote, the receiver, that has a built-in sound system plus a speaker, which is really huge here for about $169 US. Although for the price versus size, this is like humongous, but the quality is actually damn good, man. This is like a real 110 scaled down to 132 size, with everything remain the same as the 110. I mean, all the mechanism that you can see on 110 is exactly the same on this small scale, so it's very impressive, but also very tough for people who have a large thumb or fingers to install this. So you can see solid axle front and back with bearing, and there's a drive shaft, there's these chassis linkages, and battery I'm using 2 cell. It's a combination of 1 cell 150 mAh from tiny drone combined to become a 2 cell. So I have to do the wiring. The green color piece inside here, this is the receiver that has sound system function, and top here, the black color is the speaker, which is really large. So this is how I fit everything in, and the motor comes with it is a 3000 RPM, which I find it really lacking in low-end top. Speed wise is pretty fast, but this is a rock bouncer that I think it just needs a little bit more low-end torque to be more fun. So probably after this I'll try with a really low RPM to play this as if it's a rock crawler instead. Yeah, at a skate park, which is really huge for it. Let's try. And this has a very cool engine starting sound. Wow. You even do the rev, and then it will go into idle, and it'll cut off the engine after a few seconds. Yep. So this is quite an advanced remote that you can do a lot of settings on this, including changing the sound of the vehicle remotely from here. I'm not going to explain all the features in this video, because that's quite fast really. Oh, can climb pretty easily up. Oops. So it looks like I need to this is really cute. Can you do the turn? Wow, that's the throttle modulation is up. I just lost the concentration, and then wow, tire grip is very good. It's very good. Let's do it again. I'm applying brake. Wow, it's holding corner really well. Wow, this is surprising. This is damn good, man. This is really a very quality model. And the brake modulation is damn nice as well. Wow, I'm impressed just by doing this test over here. Now how about on a bumpy surface? Oops. Oh, it's good that it just flipped over back by itself. Rock bouncer, how about we try it here? Yeah, lacking of torque on off-roading. Not too bad. You can still crawl over those tree branches. Now it's like torque, despite being on the 2 cell. There's just too much of resistance from the trees, the leaves. How about this? Better. Yeah, so I'll try this with a low RPM motor, like 500 RPM to 1000 RPM. Rock bouncer or leaf bouncer, drive leaf bouncer. Okay, that works. Nice. Now let's see if we can scale up to this giant mountain. It's really tall. Ready? Go! Okay, it can actually run up easily. Wow, I can't. I just don't have enough grip. Hello, where are you? Come back down. Oh my god, that... Oh, okay. The grip level is really good though. Oops, now probably almost run out of juice. Oh, a little bit more. I can feel the throttle is really numb now. The brake is not strong enough to hold it as well. So I was really impressed. Okay, by utilizing all the speed I have, can I scale this tall mountain? Yes, it can. So that's really impressive. Let's try jump it again. Ooh. Oh shit. I'll try another one. This may just kill it. Oh no. Oh. Do the linkages. Oh, it didn't come off this time. Very good. Since this is marketed as a rock bouncer and I don't have suitable rock to play with it, in fact I did actually on the beach, but there's just not enough low-end torque from standstill if you were to play this on a rough surface. On a smooth surface is fine. There's not too much of rolling resistance that prevents it from rolling from the start. Maybe I'm not doing it justice by playing on a correct surface. Let me know what kind of surface I should try it on. Maybe you can share me a link, comment down below. So if you're interested to get one, check out the link in the description. I think this is really interesting to have this kind of small scale, very tiny scale RC that has been shrunk down from 110 to very tiny scale that you can basically play anywhere, indoor, on your desk or on your office. Check out the link in the description for more info, and remember to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!